Dr. Jaffe, can you tell us a little bit about what your thoughts are on green noise for relaxed sleep?
Well, what's called green noise is a set of frequencies that sound like a lapping water, the ocean coming and going, the waves relaxing you, the babbling brook. And some people, although there's very little research about this, some people find it helpful. Restorative sleep, however you get it, I think is essential. I suggest our half an hour transition from the doing of the day to the being of the night as helpful and sufficient. But in addition, you might want a green noise machine. Now, in my bedroom, we keep it cool, dark, Wi-Fi free, and as few devices as possible. Now, this is different from the green dichro bulb that I urge people to use 20 minutes twice a day to optimize their pineal to pituitary to hormone balance in the body. That's a completely different situation. Using the green dichro par 38 150 watt bulb, 20 minutes twice a day. But restorative sleep, however you get it, is so important. And if this machine, if this green noise helps you with restorative sleep, with deep REM, restorative, reparative sleep, I'm in favor of anything that boosts restorative sleep.